Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by ds. So we have x squared, y squared, sy. They are degree number 2. And this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have dv over ds multiplied by s. This one we have number 1, so we have v, and that is about the product rule of the derivative. So I will put this one gone here and here. dy over ds we change by this one. Now we need to simplify s squared for the both sides. Next, this one we have 9 plus 3v squared. Later that I will put this one go to the right and we divide both sides by negative 2v. Next, I will put v go to the right and we have negative v. Later that we do common denominator. This one we have 2v squared. Number 3 minus number 2 we have number 1. So I will put this one go to the left, ds and s go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 9 plus v squared. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have 2v. So this one we change by u. This one we change by du. So the integration of this one we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.